Hello and welcome back to Tot Teaches Math, where math is easy, real, and fun. Hi, I'm Tot, and today we're going to be diving into multiplying and dividing fractions with the same denominator. So let's start with multiplication first. So you see my two examples here. We have 2 over 5 times 3 over 5. The first thing that we're going to do is multiply the top row here, or the numerators for both numbers. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6, and 5 times 5 is going to be 25. Okay? So that is going to be 6 over 25. Let's move to our next problem here. 4 over 7 times 5 over 7. Same rule. We're going to multiply the top two numbers first. 4 times 5 is 20. And then 7 times 7 is going to be 49. So remember, when you're multiplying, you have to multiply the numbers, the denominators. So the denominators in this sense does not stay the same. You actually have to multiply them. Okay? All right, so let's move to division or dividing fractions. All right, so 3 over 8 divided by 1 over 8. Okay, so division is going to be a little different here. So with division, we have this formula or this saying that we use. It's called keep, change, and then flip. So let me show you what I mean. Well, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to keep 3/8. So that's our keep. Then we're going to change our division into a multiplication sign. And now we're going to flip 1/8 into 8 over 1. And so now we just multiply. 3 times 8 is going to be 24. And 8 times 1 is going to be 8. Okay? And for this, we could just simply go ahead and simplify, which is just going to be the number 3. So your answer is going to be 3. So remember, in division, you're going to always use this command, keep, change, and flip. So then that way you keep your first reciprocal, you change your division into a multiplication sign, and then your last fraction, you flip it. The top number or the bottom number is at the top now, and the top number is at the bottom. And then you solve. Okay? Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, math is real, it's fun, and it's easy. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, follow, share button. Till next time, bye-bye.